Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the new lesson. Abdul becomes a courtier. Okay, Abdul becomes a courtier. See, father, who is a schoolmaster, is getting ready to go to school. Abdul's father, and this is the conversation between Abdul's fathers and Abdul. So, Abdul's father, who is a schoolmaster, and he is getting ready to go to school. Okay. Abdul father became a schoolmaster and he is getting ready to go to school. Now Abdul said, Father, to knowledge and erudition I aspire. To study hard and deep books I require. Will you lend me a little gold? Books I will buy and study to rise high in the world. Books, he is saying, I will buy and study to rise high in the world. Father is saying, only the first half of the month has passed, but alas, the money doesn't last. Great books and manuscripts are so expensive. His father is saying, great books and manuscripts are so expensive. They are treasures, rare and exclusive. Okay. They are treasures, rare and exclusive. But from my school, I will try to borrow. But he's saying, from my school, I will try to borrow. Okay. Yes. Books that will take you a brighter tomorrow. Books, see, the lot of importance of books in our life, in students' life. Okay. Books, they are treasure of knowledge. Okay. Books are our friend, our guide. They guide us. Okay. Books that will take you a brighter tomorrow. Books is a thing that will take you a brighter tomorrow. Abdul said, that will be great. How eagerly I wait for book. It will great. I eagerly wait for a book. In the evening, when father returns from school, Abdul is asking, Abdul said, how many books could you get? How many books could you get? Oh, now my life will be all set. He's saying, Abdul is saying, oh, my life will be all set. Father said, I'm sorry, son, couldn't lay my hands on even one. Sorry, son, I couldn't lay my hands on even one. Now, chorus. Poor Abdul is sad and dejected, ponders why my wishes are thus rejected. मेरी wish थी वो reject क्यों हो जाती है? He is very sad. Okay. And dejected also. He is pondering over, he is thinking. Why my wishes are thus rejected. Continues to do his daily course. Daily course means daily work. Okay. Reads borrowed books in tens and scores. An idea then crosses his mind to serve the rich and get paid in kind. So one idea, you want to serve the rich people. Okay, to serve the rich and get paid in kind. And they will paid him. Okay. Abdul approaches a rich merchant. When Abdul decided that I'll work and in kind of that they will give me payment or money. I'll work for rich man. So given in the form of goods and services and not money. See, whenever Abdul decided to work with any rich man, he just approaches one rich merchant. Okay, Abdul approaches to a rich merchant. I am a poor student, Abdul is saying. Give me a chance to serve. To serve means to do your work, whatever the work you assign to me, I'll do it. Okay, so give me one chance to serve. Observe my work, pay only what I deserve. आप मेरा काम देखो और मैं क्या डिजर्व करता हूँ उसके हिसाब से मुझे पे करो. So he said to that merchant, observe my work, pay only what I deserve. Okay. Now, merchant, you appear to be smart. You appear to be smart. Be my clerk. He's saying, you are so smart. So you be my clerk. I will pay you well if honestly you work. So you are so smart. You be with me as a clerk. I will pay you well if you honestly work. If you will honestly work. Some days passed, the merchant calls Abdul. Now some days passed. And then merchant calls Abdul. Merchant is saying, I'm pleased with your work and loving care. You are indeed a gem, quite rare. You are indeed a gem, quite rare. I will give you a reward if your demand is fair. I want to give you a reward if your demand is fair. Abdul, he is very excited and he is saying, may I now read the books in your store and quench my thirst for knowledge? I just want to quench my thirst for knowledge. I need nothing more. Abdul is saying, may I now read the books in your store? मैं आपके बुक में आपके स्टोर में बुक रीड कर सकता हूँ. And thirst of knowledge means I'm eager to read new things, to take knowledge. So I have a quench. मुझे बहुत प्यास है किस चीज की, नॉलेज लेने की. I'm very excited to read more books and improve my knowledge. Okay, so I have a thirst for knowledge. I need nothing more. मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. Okay. Now, chorus. Days passed by. He learned and learned, gaining the knowledge for which he earned philosophy, astronomy, Arabic, and Persian. Abdul the scholar now is one in a million. Will he come to emperor's notice? Will he be given an honorable office? So he learned about philosophy, astronomy, Arabic, Persian. Abdul is a real scholar. वो बहुत होशियार था. He is a real scholar. But he won. Now he is one in a million. बहुत सारे हजारों लोगों में एक है वो. Now his knowledge is very what we can say. His knowledge is great. So the question is there, will he come to the emperor's notice? वो emperor के notice में आएगा कि नहीं? Will he be given an honorable office? So the court, the emperor, will he given him an honorable office? Now a friend is saying, news for you, Abdul. Abdul's friend saying that the emperor has answered your prayer. His friends are saying, the emperor has answered your prayer. The royal Murgi Khana is now under your care. The royal Murgi Khana is now your care. Abdul, what? The Murgi Khana for me? A scholar, intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a poultry keeper. So one question is just there. He is thinking, what? Murgi Khana for me? I am such a scholar, intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a poultry keeper. Never mind, the chance I won't refuse. But never mind, I don't mind. But this chance I don't want to refuse. I won't refuse this chance. Okay. Never mind, the chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity. I will put it to good use. It is an opportunity for me. I will put it in a good use. Now Abdul worked with conviction, zeal means enthusiasm, passion. The hens were given a new kind of ration. The birds seemed to be in the pink of health, but nothing was pained from emperor's health. Emperor is saying, how is that? How is that? Why are we spending so little on our hens? How most of them died in the pens? How most of them died in the pens? Minister is saying, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. They are alive, and the secret of their health Abdul will tell you. Okay, the minister is saying. Abdul enters and bows before the emperor like this. Bows, bow down. Abdul enters and bows before the emperor. How come you spend so little on our hens? Emperor is saying, how come you spend so little on our hens. Okay. How do you nourish them? At no expense. So it is not possible to nourish them on no expense. So emperor, emperor is asking questions to Abdul. How come you spend so little on our hands? This is the first question. How do you nourish them at no expense? Because there is no expense, so how do you nourish them? So Abdul is very scholar boy. So the emperor is asking such questions to him. How you nourish them at no expense? And so this is the duty given to the Abdul to take care of the Murgi Khana. Understood? So in this way, Abdul taking care of the hens. Whatever the hens living in Murgi Khana, Abdul is taking care of that hens. Okay. So up to this, we will stop here. We will continue this lesson in next period. Okay. Bye. And your homework is read this lesson. Abdul became so popular. Read the lesson. Abdul became so popular. Okay. So this is about the Abdul became so popular. Okay. Remaining portion will continue in the next period. Okay. Bye.